Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, HID headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.